Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT without a phone number. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to chat.openai.com. Once you are here, click on Login. Now wait for the website to finish loading. In here, you will have now the option to use an email address. So you won't need a phone number at all. Right now, enter your password. Make sure you're the only one who remembers this and knows about this. Once you're done, click on Continue. Make sure you remember every detail, from username to password. Now wait for the website to load once again. This will take a few seconds or a few minutes even, but don't worry, I'm still here. Once the website finishes loading, you can see here that you already have an account. And that's it. Congratulations! Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.